What excites me most about a new project is the opportunity to invent something that's never been done before. I'm architect Gregory Sharp, and welcome to this recently completed townhouse in Kips Bay. We were tasked with converting a multifamily home into this single-family house. So why don't we go take a closer look? The architectural surprises begin as you approach the townhouse. The design required a new front facade, so we chose an elegant stucco and installed classic industrial-style steel windows. A steel frame portico also sits at the roof level. As you step in through the main entranceway, you have a formal parlor room that greets you. This is a great place to catch your breath after a day or night out in the city. And the weight of the world just slips away. The landing also offers you an opportunity to view the main space from up high. And what a main space it is. This project offered me an opportunity to explore a slew of new ideas. To be honest, I'm not known for my use of color, so it was exciting to bring these yellow lacquered cabinets into the kitchen. We also brought in quartzite stone counters and natural wood accents. There's brass hardware everywhere, and we even installed this brass porthole into the pantry. This was a natural place to put the dining area, but we accented it with these whitewashed brick walls. Notice the cove lighting above. In fact, we used stylish contemporary lighting here and throughout the home. This living area is all about easy flow. Flow from the kitchen and flow to the yard. It's bright and airy and sure to impress your guests. There's a custom stone fireplace with a white lacquered cabinet above to hide your TV. But the main feature, I'm sure you'll agree, is this giant automated glass wall. It's one of the most unique things I've ever done. It weighs a ton, yet moves seamlessly. Architecturally, it actually connects to the brand new rear facade. Let's go take a look. Smooth operator. See what I mean? The giant steel members actually support the house and also connect the great room to the lower level. And above, we used an Ipe wood screen to create a transitional element. Out here, we wanted to make you feel like you've escaped the city. There's a board-formed concrete barbecue area, and there's a cantilevered steel and Ipe awning over the dining area. Lunch, anyone? Now this is a regal bedroom suite, am I right? And with these 12-foot ceilings, it feels downright palatial and yet totally intimate. As for the materials, we used white oak for the cabinetry and marble for the fireplace. But the best part, there's 3 steel French doors that lead out to a private terrace. And the all-marble bathroom has a coffered dome shower, which is one of the things I love to feature on any project. Now, before we go, I'd like to show you one last space. And now for the rooftop oasis. It was worth the wait, right? There's concrete floors, stucco cement fireplace, a bar area, and 2 terraces, so you get your choice where to enjoy that cocktail. This is a home truly created for luxurious indoor-outdoor living. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this reimagined New York City townhouse with me. Until next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.